Hello dear friends, I wanted to show you my new exhibition which is currently happening until tomorrow evening. So it's a collaboration with IKEA. So I was asked to decorate this bed. So it's a bed from IKEA. They gave me some very nice objects and I painted some panels above the object so that the object would disappear, let's say, in a new perspective. So for instance, here you have a clock. So I painted the clock on the panel, and when you see it from another perspective, you can see that the clock, there is a clock, a real clock hanging. I made this with the cactus as well. So you have to find out where is the real cactus. So I painted 3 of them, and when you see from another perspective, you see that some are 2Ds and the one is 3D. Another one with a very cute fluffy animal. So I painted one, and you see that one is painted, one is real. So it's some kind of anamorphosis. And the last one is, no, there are two ones remaining. It's this pillow, which is a very graphic and nice visual pillow from IKEA. So some painted and one real, and a frame, a real one, and some painted. So it's acrylic painted. Acrylic on wood, and the panels are available for exchange or for sale. So if you would like to see them, if you would like to exchange them, because it's the purpose of the event hosting this exhibition, which is named in French Art Truc Troc. So the idea is to exchange the exhibited artworks with an object owned by the visitor who would like to buy or to exchange the artworks exhibited. So if you would like to exchange one of my artwork with one of your stuff, or even to buy them, they're available. Okay, I would like to sell them very quickly, so don't hesitate to come or contact me. Ouais, on a changé.
Like we kill 2 snakes when we kill 1,000 crows for 1 week.
Ouais. Coucou Camille. Camille qui assiste à sa première exposition, l'exposition de son oncle. Waouh! Et qu'est-ce qu'il y a au plafond? Regarde en haut. Regarde en haut. Regarde en haut. Waouh! Regarde. Waouh! Des petits bonhommes verts. Regarde. Là. Ouais. Coucou. Elle me fait un grand sourire. Coucou. Tu me fais un petit sourire, un petit bonhomme vert? Coucou. Coucou. Elle me montre ton sourire? Tu me montres ton sourire? Coucou. 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 Ouais, elle te ressemble, c'est fou quoi. Tiens, tu sais ce qu'elle sait le mettre toute seule en bouche? Oh, elle va tomber en arrière. Perte d'équilibre.
Ok.
T'as fait une photo aussi?
Non, attends.
Ça, tu envoies ça à Rime, je te dis pas.
Je fais un petit partage d'ambiance.